Welcome to the U.S. Housing Exchange, where you could sell your property to the biggest untapped buying pool in the country. The ones who have always wanted to own a house, but credit has kept them renting. Their desire is to fire their landlord, and they are extremely motivated. We screen our clients to make sure that they're willing to follow all the steps necessary for them to buy your home. We can structure several types of deals based on your situation. If you're trying to sell your property by owner, or you're just a regular motivated seller, has your property been on the market for a long time? Our property guarantees you your asking price as long as an appraisal justifies what you're asking for. If your property doesn't need any work, we have a select group of buyers that qualify to see your property. They fall just beneath the line of qualifying for a traditional mortgage. We anticipate once we have a client on your property, we will need an extra 15 to 30 days to close than your traditional borrower. Properties that need rehab. If your property needs rehab or updating, we can help you. In some cases, we can buy your property, but in some cases, if our buyer likes your home, we may have our nonprofit partner, the Halo Foundation, lend monies for repairs and structure. In a transaction like this, we have a pre-negotiated price for your property. The repairs are paid for. Then our investors make money when our buyer closes on their mortgage. Remember, we never do any deals unless we have an exit buyer. Our deals allow you to walk away with more money because we cover the closing costs for the buyer out of our investor profit. Please spend some time on our website. Look at the buyer section for details on how the program works from their perspective. Create a free account, list your property for free, and we will start immediately marketing your property.